Guys, good morning. How are you all doing today? Come with me, guys, to go and get a car seat for my son. Yeah, I'm going to get a car seat. They just changed law. The one that I'm using before, I was just managing it, and the kilo has already passed. My son kilo has already passed, which is my first son. So as they just changed law yesterday, which is on Saturday, I have to go and get a new car seat as ASAP. Like, so guys, I'm going now. I want to leave you guys to watch the full video. Please don't forget to follow this page if you're just coming across this page for the first time. And I hope you enjoy this vlog and you will see what I got. It's really good. Like, it's really nice. If you want a car seat for your son, you can get this type as well. It's really good. It's adjustable. Yeah, you can adjust it according to their tallness, so you just be adjusting it. It's very good. All right, guys, let me leave you guys to watch the full video.
Natural tricks all day, luxury lifestyle on display. Follow or find your way. Flat tummy in no time. Big tummy low, say goodbye. Tucked away earrings that really shine. Sarah's tips never a lie. Sarah DIY, know her name. Luxury life is her game. From morning till the night flame, she's your way to fame. Recipes that taste divine, crafts that blow your mind. Trust her guide, nothing can confine. Sarah always kind. Recipes that taste divine, crafts that blow your mind. Trust your guide, nothing can confine. Sarah always kind. Exciting content at your hand. Join her crew across the land. Dance along to her life brand. United we all stand. Fitness goals that soar high. Core dreams you can't deny. Fashion tips right on the fly. With Sarah you'll never sigh. Flat tummy in no time.